Welcome to Story Mode, where you'll be able to develop your idea by going through the 5 chapters. You can pick any step as a starting point, but we suggest you go from the very beginning. Start by quickly explaining the market problem and how your business idea will solve it. Then define your unique selling proposition and your product portfolio. After that, you can explain how you will promote your products and services. Define the sales methods you will use, and describe your relationships with suppliers and other business partners. The last step is to share the business concept with others and get their feedback and rating. Now, we're moving on to the research chapter, where you will determine the size and growth trend of the market you're entering. Create profiles of your target customers, analyze your competitors to identify their soft spots, and compare your ideas with other businesses to check how you stand in the market. After that, you will assess your business idea by running a SWOT analysis, and finalize the research by calculating your market potential. Setup chapter will help you find out what is required to lift your idea from the ground. You can calculate the total investment you need to make, then explore loans, investments, and all the sources of funding. The next step is to define the owners and your management team, as well as to identify staffing needs and the expenses for all your employees. The final step is creating a startup checklist to ensure all the activities are on track. The 4th chapter is where you'll project your performance and calculate your profit margin and cash flow. First, you need to define all of your revenue streams. Then, to find out what are your direct costs, how big your marketing budget will be, and how much you'll spend on other overheads. After all of that, we'll calculate profit margin, cash flow, and other financial metrics for you, which you can compare to industry standards. In the final story chapter, you will take the test and get a score based on all the previous steps.